always been a friend of mine. I'm leaving my life in your hands.
I still remember the very first time we met 4 years ago. How I fell in love with you and your smile. And how everything happened unexpectedly.
And how you got me blind is still a mystery. I can't get
To my baby, sobra akong nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon sa pagsagot ng aking panalangin. Ang dumating ka sa buhay ko.
As long as you're here.
To my beautiful bride, every second, every minute, every hours you are together and the hours you are apart, I love you from the bottom of my heart. See you later, your G. Thank you, babe. See you later. Long distance relationship is not easy. At first, hindi ko alam kung makakaya ba natin ang LDR. But then suddenly, it was God who made it happen. Because He knows we both need each other to complete the love story He needs.
Hindi mo pinaramdam na malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Thank you sa mga effort, sacrifice mo araw-araw para sa ating dalawa.
It seems like we're meant to be, and I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me. I've tried to hide it so that no one knows, but I guess it shows when you look into my eyes, what you did and where you're coming
Today,
from.
I stand here with you at the beginning of our new life together. This is the moment that I have dreamed of my entire life. I am so lucky enough because I have an ideal man that every girl dreams of.
I don't care who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me. Who you are, where you're from, what you did, as long as you love me.
Alam kong kakayanin natin dito dahil may Diyos na gagabay at aalalay sa atin.
These three remains: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. We believe that God is the creator of all of us, and He is the creator of the love between these two.
Ano yung bagay na nakita mo, sabi mo, ito na yung babaeng gusto ko.
Oh, yun. Nabihag ako sa ngiti niya.
Anywhere I go, there you are. I've been getting used to waking up with you. I've been getting used to waking up here.
Character namin, parang match kaming dalawa. Ganun. Kung ano yung gusto ng isa, gusto rin ng isa. Kaya parang friend ka talaga kami.
Pag-trip yung mag-motor, nag-motor.
Ayan. Parang same vibes kaming dalawa. Ganun.
Ayan. Sana all.
Thank you for making me feel that I deserve to be loved, to be happy, and to have someone as amazing as you are. Thank you for accepting me, all my flaws and mistakes that I've made from the past. Thank you for coming to my life, babe.
Thank you guys sa pagpunta sa aking pinaka-importanteng araw sa aking buhay. Cheers!
Since we met,
Alam kong ito sa mga gusto mong bigay. Kaya, inunahan na kita. Hope you like it, babe. Ride safe always. See you later. I love you. Thank you, babe, sa support. I love you. See you later.
Your happiness shall forever be most important to me. You are the love of my life, and I promise to adore you, cherish you, and respect you for all the days of my life.
There you are, there you are. The fire and the flood.
Kumuti man mga buhok natin, nandito ako palagi para sa iyo. Ipapaalala, gagabayan at proprotektahan sa anumang dumating sa ating buhay. I love you, baby.
Your head resting next to mine, next to mine. You're the fire and the flood.
Today and forever, I give you my heart, my soul, and my trust, no matter what our future might bring. I love you, baby, my favorite person in the world, my partner in life, my husband.
Ikaw po ang may akda ng kanilang kwentong pag-ibig. At sa araw na ito ay magkakatuon ng katuparan, Panginoon, ang iyong iniakdang kwento ng kanilang pag-ibig.